Hello, everyone. My name is Vanessa Del Rio, and I'm going to be presenting my project Wellness. I started off doing research on Oasis, which is a spa located in the University of Northridge, created to improve students' mental health and allow them to take a break from their hectic day-to-day schedules. I was given the opportunity to design a wellness center to expand the Oasis Mental Health Center and to provide a support system to the community during this post-pandemic era. My concept is the lotus flower, but more so, it's the overcoming of hardships. The lotus flower submerges under muddy waters during the night and reblooms every day crisp and clean. The lotus flower manages to overcome turbulent, muddy waters because of the roots that connect to the pods that are grounded to the bottom of the pond. Because of this event, the lotus flower represents overcoming of hardships, rebirth, purity, enlightenment, and mental evolution. My thought process was, due to post-pandemic repercussions, many will be victims of mental illnesses like depression and anxiety, and those who are already struggling will worsen. In my brainstorming, I linked the process of people struggling with mental illnesses and overcoming it with the lotus flower event of their submergement overnight and reblooming the next day. There are no straight lines or symmetry in nature. So in my design process, I envision organic shapes and curves. In this render, you can see how I designed the therapeutic treatment rooms into clusters, much like pods acting like support systems to the lotus flower, in order for it to stay afloat, just as our staff will provide support to our clients in order for they too to overcome their hardships. This is my space study model, where I explored the spaces within the building to get a sense of the space I had to work with. In my reflective ceiling plan, I decided to place canned lighting ceiling fixtures as if it was pollen from the lotus flower, and right next to it, you can see the development from my layout plan. These are my materials. When dealing with hardships, your thoughts are full of clutter and mess. So I decided to go with the calm neutral color palette in order for it to keep a peace of mind. In the front desk area, I placed pendant lighting in shapes of teardrops resembling the lotus flower in submergement. As you walk through the oasis path, you really begin to feel light and delicate as you walk over the resigned water path embedded to the floor. Once you arrive to the lounge area, you begin to feel a sense of reblooming with the curvature of the wall and large ceiling pendant lighting. These are the treatment rooms. I have the massage room and the therapy session room. I have the showers and locker rooms. These are the pool pods. They allow clients to physically experience the submergement into the pond, having a sense of rejuvenation and strength. Here I have the sections and elevations. Here I have my axonometric view where you can get a better sense of the space. Here I have my final model. This project was full of challenges, but overall I learned a lot and enjoyed working on this project. Thank you.